me a buy?
Yeah, I'd kick him out.
Yeah, easy.
Look at him, he's complaining already.
I would rather have anyone on the opposing team over Force.
I love you too, Raza.
They have a monkey, they have Genji, Lucio, Mercy, McCree. Yeah, they're doing what we did. They're going through the hotel. They're going up top. Lucio's low.
The perfect dive comp, one that doesn't dive.
No, they're playing Diva.
Oh, they fucked up their
Yeah.
They're driving around up
Genji's
there.
behind.
I'm taking care of
Genji's dead.
Yep. Good, good, good.
Mercy's
just
gonna,
ate like 4,000
try to res him probably.
Lucio's low. Oh, monkey got me.
Mercy's low. I got
I'm
flashbang.
in the hallway alone. Someone can box me.
Diva's out of mech.
Keep swinging.
Thank you,
Keep
McCree is
swinging.
trying to get me out of mech.
Hell yes, keep swinging.
Hey, Debo, let's jump on the McCree.
Where is he? Oh, never mind.
There's a Mercy trying to escape. Let's stagger her.
Keep swinging.
Winston's trying to get out.
Oh my god, dude.
Winston's really low.
I already have ult.
Let's get
Winston's dead. Winston's dead.
Hey, back up, back up, back up. Back off.
Genji probably has Dragon Blade too, and I'm at 72.
Genji
Genji
for-
Blade.
Genji was
Coalescence. The Moira beam.
Moira Blade.
Dude, I love the weeb stick.
The weeb baton.
I think they're trying. No, they're not trying to go up top again. They're just going on point.
So laggy, dude.
Primal Rage is out. I'm at 90. Diva's almost out. I have self-destruct.
Oh,
Diva's
you
out.
killed them.
Mercy's low.
Diva's dead.
Mercy's half.
Yeah, she is really low.
Kill her, kill her,
She's
kill her.
dead.
McCree's low. We should keep.
He's one.
He's dead.
Yo, is there anyone
Okay,
behind
come
us?
back, come back,
Push back, push back.
come back. Is anyone what?
I saw someone like behind us somehow.
Oh, okay.
I
If
thought it
there's
was
people who are
Melissa, but-
overextending, we can just stagger them.
Yeah. Yeah, I have self-destruct. The Diva probably does too.
Probably.
I'm gonna lock the barrier down for a little bit and recharge.
Okay.
When they push.
They're flanking left again.
No, they're just coming in
Okay.
around the statue.
Winston's low. Oh, good picks.
I'm taking
Oh,
care
it's
of
gonna get double rest. Lame.
Damn, I should have waited. Ah, nobody's on point. Dragon Blade. Diva's out of mech.
Hammered
High
Winston down.
noon. I ate it. I ate high noon.
Nice.
Oh.
Oh, you can't eat Blade.
Winston's low, Winston's low, Winston's low.
McCree's one.
Winston.
He's getting healed.
Winston's dead. I'm really low. I'm at 60.
You're getting healed as much as I can.
Thank you.
I'm good.
I'm out of mech.
Enemy taking the point.
Yeah,
Time
back
to
off.
show my skill.
I'm not gonna make it. Oh, thank you.
damage.
Damn, don't raise me.
Good choice. Get these jokers off my point. Genji is with you. Thank you. Hello!
I'm at 76 for my next self-destruct.
My ultimate is charged.
Okay, they're playing aggro.
No.
No, they
Let
haven't.
me get you patched up.
Yeah, they used Blade and High Noon, that's it.
I'm at 60% to ult again.
Okay.
You needed a
Genji's in the sniper window.
Yeah, I see him. She's probably gonna try to self-destruct soon.
53.
94 for mine. I have it.
6 for Blade.
Monkey on. Monkey on.
Play to me, play to me.
I have shatter. I'm gonna shatter these
Okay.
guys up front.
Do it.
Alright, go.
That's one.
I got Diva. Diva popped her ult. Oh shit.
I got the McCree.
Okay, I'm at 32. Oh no, Genji's going for me.
starting over from the beginning.
76 for Mac.
I have attack visor.
I'm
I
next.
have Blade. I'm gonna
Got
pop Blade.
Lucio.
Yeah, pop blade, I'm not there.
Healing up front, bad.
Diva's out of Mac.
Sorry, I was 1 second too late.
I have shatter again.
Ich kümmere mich dich.
Their Genji's dead. 33 for self-destruct.
We
Gotta
held
go up
it
to scout.
somehow.
They're still trying to group up there.
Might have been my ult. I ulted and just healed everybody up as long as I could.
Yeah,
Yeah,
your ult
that
was great.
really helped.
Yo, if you can get a shatter and I can tack visor it, that'd be spicy.
For sure. Once Winston
53?
Okay, Winston's used his bubble. Oh my
No.
god.
There's a lot of damage.
Yeah.
That was kind of ridiculous.
Focusing. Mercy's down, Mercy down.
Mercy and McCree.
I'm at 78.
I'm dead.
Damn. Shit, I'm out. Whoa, I'm dead.
They used 2 ults to wipe.
No.
Alright.
Oh, yeah. Didn't they also use monkey though?
We can still hold it. I have shatter.
Yeah, if you can get up
I'm
there.
at 94 for self-destruct.
Go, go, go now, go now. I'm trying to pop the bubble. Give me a second. There you go. Free shatter there. Free shatter.
Oh, damn it.
Where was?
I didn't.
It's okay.
I got Genji and Mercy. And Diva's mech.
Okay, back up, back up, back up. We don't need to hold it
Yeah,
here.
we already wiped them with a lot of ults.
Okay, stay back here. That way if they do flank us, they can't get around us.
Peak performance.
Did we only use 2 ults for that?
Yeah.
2, yeah.
Okay.
But they are gonna start using theirs.
Yeah, they're probably gonna combo Sound Barrier and Blade soon.
I blew sound barrier. They fucked it up.
Oh, okay. Lucy is half?
I'm trying to get the Winston
Watch
behind.
hero diving us.
Oh my.
Thank you. I didn't have shield for that. Oh, good
Shield.
job.
Watch out for the monkey. He's on the left. Focusing monkey.
He's dead.
Running deep with Diva. My bad.
Lucio next.
51?
I don't see anyone. Where's Diva? There. Let's stagger her. Get her out.
McCree's really low.
Diva out of mech.
Damage increase.
Mercy's ult. Mercy just came down from her ult.
Okay.
Okay, back off, back off. Back off.
We have to keep pushing. They're
need to-
staggered.
They're not really staggered
I'm going
anymore.
I didn't mean to go.
Oh no!
Empty ult. I got booped by the Rhine.
I'm at 72.
Alright, we can back off now.
They have a Zarya again.
Our inevitable victory beckons.
Their Reinhardt has shot.
Yeah, their Genji's probably gonna try to blade
I'm backing
soon.
up.
Their Genji's at 2. I'm at 81. Blade,
Mercy is down.
Sound Barrier. I'm at 90.
Ryan slow, Ryan slow. Alright.
Genji's low. Good job. I have
Zarya.
Sound Barrier. I mean, I
Zarya
Good
down.
job. It's
Last
just
one, McCree.
there we go. Get the Mercy.
Mercy, Mercy.
There we go. Good job.
Nice. Oh man, Shao, you just stole that gold healing at the last second. Oh.
Well, guys, that was great.
I just did.
Someone
that
left the
was
game, dude.
a lot
I
of
think he
healing.
was just a spectator.
Oh.
No, it wasn't.
One more time? Oh.
Oh.
Knock him in for a round, easy.
That was a fun match.
It's fun because you stomped.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, can I play a round now, easy?
Yeah, go ahead.